Yo, what's up guys? So this is our day 41. For today's run, wala tayong running plan, pero we will run 5K siguro or 3K kung ilan pang abutin natin ang kakayanan natin. Pero come and join me. Let's run together. Let's make our life healthier. Okay, let's go. 1K 6:39, 2K 6:36, 3K 6:55, 4K 6:33, 5K 6:20. So that's our day 41 here again at Country Road. So we finished a total of 5 kilometers in this run. Average speed 6 minutes and 55 seconds per kilometer. As always saying, be healthy, be wealthy, stay active. Always run for your life, for a better life. Let's go. Run again tomorrow, another day, tomorrow, and every day. Let's go.